Welcome back to another insightful GeoEnviroPro talk. In today's talk, Hot Buttons, we unravel the complexities of the Conceptual Site Model, CSM, focusing on its geological aspect, a cornerstone in understanding contaminated sites. A conceptual site model is a 3D representation of site conditions, crucial for identifying and assessing sources, release mechanisms, and pathways of contamination. It's a dynamic tool that evolves with each new discovery, helping us to visualize the unseen geological conditions below us. Consider this example from the Yukon Territory. Here, a leaky diesel tank infiltrates the ground, reaching the water table and interacting with complex elements like permafrost and talik. This model illustrates the contamination path, but how accurately does it represent the subsurface? That's where detailed geological knowledge comes into play. Understanding the subsurface usually involves examining surface geological features, drilling boreholes, and characterizing sediment layers. Geology isn't just about rocks and soil, it's about how stratigraphic features interact with contaminants. Each layer, from sands to silt and clays to fractured bedrock, have unique properties such as hydraulic conductivity and help determine how contaminants like benzene or tetrachloroethylene move and spread. This understanding is vital for assessing risks and planning effective remediation. Interpreting data from tools like sonic coring and cone penetrometers adds depth and detail to our model. These tools uncover the subtle variations in soil properties, crucial for understanding contaminant behavior. From high-energy river deposits forming gravel zones to low-energy glacial lakes creating silt and clay layers, these processes shape our understanding of subsurface conditions and contamination pathways. Creating an effective conceptual site model is a collaborative process. It starts with initial assumptions, evolves with field data, and improves with professional judgment and interpretation. Thank you for joining us on this brief journey through Hot Buttons. This summary just scratches the surface of all that was covered during our free half-hour webinar. To foster continued professional development, we have introduced an exclusive membership program. As a member, you will join a vibrant community of individuals who share your commitment to excellence in the environmental field. Our exclusive membership program offers unlimited access to webinar recordings, future events, and discounts for just $15 a month. Corporate memberships are also available. Stay tuned for more engaging GeoEnviroPro talks, and until next time, keep exploring the world of environmental science with GeoEnviroPro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.